Rocket date of the Rocket 88. It was actually a slogan of Oldsmobiles back in 1950. And that's what we have here is a 1950 Oldsmobile 88 convertible. Speaking of Rocket, 303 cubic inch Rocket V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic 4-speed Hydromatic transmission. As you can see, bright red in color, wide white walls. Take a look at the chrome in the front, headlight surrounds. We'll start this car up here in just a bit too, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. That bumper looks good, bright work. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. We'll have the top up, top down in the still pics, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Red steel wheels, polished wheel covers, and again, those wide white walls. Bias ply tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. There's a few little imperfections. This one up here in the hood. Paint shows well, has a nice shine. This is one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I'll put up the top a little later in the video. We'll check that out too. You can see fender skirts down here. Interior, also red with the kind of bronze pewter colored dash. Some instructions on starting it too, and I'll go over those with you because we are going to start it up. Let you hear it run. Very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Check out that convertible top, but first, I want you guys to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome and bright works looks good on the rear. There's that Rocket 88 logo. Of course, the Oldsmobile logo. What a fun car this would be for your local roll-ins and cruise-ins. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. As we take a look down this driver's side. If you like Oldsmobiles, or maybe you like early 50s cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Side mounted spot and rear view mirror combination. It is a power top. The power top is on the slow side, I'll tell you that right now. Previous owners passed that along to us, so I am not going to make you sit through watching the power top go up, but power top does work. It will go up. We're going to get that up here in just a bit, show you the condition of that, and then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And as you can see, seating surfaces, they show well. There's a few spots where there's kind of your wrinkles and where that'll show up on a natural hide, because it does appear to be leather. All right, I want to show you starting procedure on this. So what we wanted to do is take these two switches, push them to the right. We're also going to turn the key on. One of these is a security switch and the other one is an electric fuel pump. So we'll let that run for about 20-30 seconds here. We're going to pump the gas pedal a couple times. Come over here and there's a right here, push button start. Let's give her a couple pumps of the gas pedal. Neutral. There we go. Also know on the shift pattern, reverse is all the way down, neutral, park up top, and then drive and low in between. 303, that was a cold start, so we have a little bit of a high idle here. We'll let that warm up. There we go. Come off that high idle gas gauge or fuel gauge, looks like amp meter. This is a 6-volt system, so you know. closes nicely. Listen to this thing purr. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped real quick. Check out this engine bay. And again, 303 cubic inch rocket V8. So I'm gonna pause this a second. This will actually have a hood release on the inside of the car. Let's get that hood open, check it out. All right, so here's the underside of the hood. I also ran that top up since I was getting the engine bay open, so we can check it both out. All right, so there it is, that rocket V8. Again, 6-volt system. Battery disconnect for in between drives or while it's in storage. Very smooth running engine, as you can see and hear. It's the engine that got things going for him in NASCAR. I do believe in what, 49 or 50? Some believe that to be the real true beginning of the muscle car. And convertible top. So we have a camel colored fabric top. Looks like it is newer, has been replaced, and it's power. It goes up on its own, but like I said, it is slow. I didn't want to put you through that. It takes a little bit for it to get up, but as you can see, once it's there, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. I rolled up that side glass. You can see how that fits also. Glass rear window. And passenger side. There you go. Make a date with the Rocket 88 1950 Oldsmobile 88 convertible. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, stick around. Jason's going to take you for a drive, and the phone number 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Oldsmobile 88 convertible and a nice looking red color with this sort of a gold on the dash. Really complements each other well. I can hear the turn signals working. They do not light up on the dash, but I can hear them. This is an automatic on the column. The speedometer appears to be working as it should. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Amps is charging above half. The oil pressure is at 30. Now the temperature gauge I have not seen move. I would expect that to be up a little bit by now. I'll let you know if it does move. A little bit of vibration in the steering wheel. That might just be flat spots on the tires. These cars are stored for longer periods of time. Great feel to this car. Good road manners. The style is great from 1950, and Oldsmobile leading the way with a little more style than Chevy. Carpet, really good condition. Seats and door panels also looking good. Brakes are working as they should. There's a little bit of slack in the steering, which is to be expected from this era vehicle. It doesn't affect performance much. Just a nice low rumble. Probably close to what stock sound would have been for this car. Corners pretty well. Leads as much as it should in the corners, but it's easy to steer. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about this Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.